Hello friends, now we see the unit 3 laws of motion, units Newton's third law. Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law? For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Means if we take any action on any object, the same reaction will given by that object upon us. What does this mean? For every force acting on an object, there is an equal force acting in opposite direction. Right now, gravity is pulling you down in your seat. But Newton's third law says your seat is pushing up against you with equal force. This is why you are not moving. There is a balance force acting on you. Gravity pulling down, you seat pushing up. So like this, the force we apply on the earth, and at the same time earth is also apply force on us. So like this, here is one chair is shown that, and the force is applied on the chair. At the same time the chair is also applying force. It is shown there. Think about it. What happens if you are standing on a skateboard or a slippery floor and push against a wall? You slide in the opposite direction, away from the wall, because of push on the wall, but their wall push back on you equal and opposite force. Why does it hurt so much when you stub your toe? When you toe exert a force on a rock, the rock exerts an equal force back on the toe. The harder you hit your toe against it, the more force the rock exerts back on your toe, and the more your toe hurts. Means while walking, if there is a collision between our leg and any stone, what happen? If where apply of force it is less, then it is less hurt to our legs. But at the same time, if we move fast, then we apply more force, and therefore we hurt majoritarily, or we hurt in a large manner. Third law. According to Newton's, where object A and B are interact with each other, they exert forces upon each other. When you sit in your chair, your body exerts a downward force on the chair, and the force exert on the upward force on your body. And the chair also exert a force in the upward direction. Force as an interaction. When you push on the wall pushes on you. Look at the wall pushing on me. Newton's third law. Newton's third law describes the relationship between the forces in an interaction. One force is called action force, the another is called as reaction force. Neither force exists without the other. They are equal in strength and opposite in direction. They occur in the same time simultaneously. Newton's third law. When the girl jumped to shore, the boat moves backward. So here we apply force on the boat, at the same time force is applied on us, and therefore it is moving in the backward direction. Identifying action and reaction. When action A exert force on B, the reaction is simply B exert force on A. Action the pushes rod, reaction rod pushes tire. Action earth pull the ball, reaction ball pulls the earth. Rocket pushes the reaction, gas pushes the rocket. Action and reaction are on different masses. Earth is pulled up by the boulder with just as much force as a boulder is pulled down by earth. The reaction of a rocket is an application of the third law of motion. Various fuels are burned in the engine, producing hot gases. The hot gases push against the inside the tube of the rocket and escape out the bottom of the tube. As the gases move down, the rocket moves in the opposite direction. Questions. A force interaction require at least a single force, pair of force, action of force, or reaction force. B. Pair of forces. Question. The force that directly propels a motor scooter along a highway is provided by the road. Question. If we know the earth pulls on the moon, does the moon also pulls on earth? If so, which pull is stronger? Asking which pull is stronger is like asking which distance is greater between New York and San Francisco or between San Francisco and New York. The distance either way are same because the forces are equal but they are opposite in magnitude. It is the same with force pairs. Both Earth and Moon pulls on each other with equal and opposite forces. Suppose a friend who hears about Newton's third law says that you can't move a football by kicking it because the reaction force by the kicked ball would be equal and opposite to your kicking force and the net force would be zero. So no matter how hard you kick, the ball won't move. What do you say to your friend? If you kick a football, it is accelerated. No other force has been applied to the ball. Tell your friend that you can't cancel the force on the ball with a force on your foot. Review. Newton's first law. Object in motion tend to stay in motion and object at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted upon by the unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Force equal mass times the acceleration, that is F equal to ma. Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, thank you.